In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Search Console API and automate data import. This process might seem daunting at first, but with a few straightforward steps, you'll have it up and running in no time. So, let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll need to ensure you have access to a Google account with Search Console property owners' permissions on the relevant websites. It's crucial to have this access because it allows you to retrieve data accurately from Search Console. Once you've confirmed this, head over to the Google Cloud Console to create a new project. If you don't see an option to create a new project, it might be hidden under a drop-down labeled Select a Project, so be sure to check there. Name your project something memorable so you can easily identify it later. With your project set up, the next step is to enable the Search Console API. You can find the API by searching Search Console API in the Library section of the Google Cloud Console. Once located, click Enable. This action opens up functionality allowing your application to interact with Search Console directly. Next, you need to set up credentials. This involves creating a service account. Under the Credentials tab, click on Create Credentials and select Service Account. Provide a name and description so you can easily track its purpose. Proceed by granting your new service account the viewer role under the I am roles. After setting it up, you'll need to create a key. Choose the JSON option for your key type, then create it. This will download a JSON file to your device, which you'll use later. With your API credentials secured, head to the Search Console and add your new service account email. This is done by going to Settings, then Users and Permissions within Search Console. Click on Add User and input the email of your freshly created service account. Ensure the user permissions are set appropriately, allowing the account to access the necessary data. Many find this part tricky, but remember, linking the service account is crucial for seamless data operations. Once this is squared away, you'll typically use your preferred programming language or a compatible tool to harness the API, importing the data automatically. Tools like Python or Google Sheets API extensions can be a great fit, depending on your workflow. Double-check your setup by making a simple API call to verify the data retrieval works as expected. This is more than a mere formality. It's a critical validation step confirming everything is configured correctly and likely saves time troubleshooting later. And there you have it. Following these steps ensures your Search Console API is set up for automatic data importation, making data analysis more efficient and streamlined. Feel free to revisit this guide as needed, ensuring you grasp each component. Thanks for watching and happy data importing.